In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up repeating invoices in Xero. Repeating invoices are perfect for subscriptions, retainers, or any regular billing you do. Once set up, Xero will create each invoice automatically on your schedule, saving you time and helping you stay consistent with customers. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to Sales. This is where all your accounts receivable live. From there, go to Invoices to view and manage everything you send to customers. We're going to create a template that Xero will reuse every cycle, so you don't have to start from scratch each time. Choose New Repeating Invoice. This opens the Repeating Invoice template. Think of this as the blueprint Xero will follow every time it generates an invoice for you. You'll notice scheduling options and other defaults on this page. They control when and how the invoice repeats, so it's a good place to review the overall setup while you're here. Next, select Invoice To and pick the customer you'll be billing. Make sure the contact details look right, especially the email address and currency. Accurate contact information ensures the invoice goes to the right place and calculates correctly. Enter a reference. This can be a contract ID, month and year, or any internal label that helps you search and match payments later. Using a consistent naming format makes reconciliation and reporting much faster. Choose Approve for sending. With this status, Xero will automatically approve each invoice as it's created and send it according to your email settings. It's a hands-off approach that works well when the details don't change from month to month, and it helps you get paid sooner because invoices go out on time. Select the item you're billing for. Pick your saved product or service, then confirm the description, quantity, unit price, and tax rate. If you use tracking categories, ensure they're set correctly so your reporting stays accurate. You can adjust any of these details to reflect the agreed pricing. Enter the due date. Set payment terms that fit your agreement, such as a certain number of days after the invoice date. Clear, consistent terms help customers know exactly when payment is expected and keep your cash flow steady. Finally, click Save. Your repeating invoice template is now ready. Xero will generate invoices based on this setup and handle the approvals and sending for you. Keep an eye on the first scheduled run to make sure everything looks right. And remember, you can update, pause, or delete the template anytime as your needs change.